Hello friend, my name is Kumar Gaurav. I'm a software developer and I'm a chess player. Chess is my extreme hobby. So I have used many chess portals like chess.com and chess.org. They have amazing tools. They have so many tools for learning chess, but I still needed something which was very specific to my need. And for that, I have created this particular chess portal which I'm going to share with all of you here. The name of the portal is Scriptchess.com, and the link for the same will be given in the description. So, what exactly this particular chess portal do and what does it provide? Let's check out. So, it gives you three main important features. First is analyzing any particular position. You can play with bots and you can explore games. And by exploring games, I mean to say that it's just like the explore feature of chess.com, where you can move the pieces and you can see a particular position which arises on the chessboard, whether this particular position has been played earlier or not, and which particular move has been played in particular position, what was the result, how many time it was played, and you can also search for the games which involve those positions. It also has chess puzzles. You can also find chess puzzle. I will show you how where exactly you can find that. The main thing that I want to show to all of you is that it provides a guideline for all the players who want to start their career in chess. So this section involves all those steps that a particular chess player needs to take in order to become a professional chess player. Then it has so many utility applications like you can search the player and their games, you can search for the tournaments, you can explore the games, you can search the games as well along with the positions as well. You can copy paste a particular PGN and play that particular game. You can visualize a particular spin if you have. It also has a free chess engine. You can use that particular chess engine to analyze your game. You can solve puzzles by finding puzzles based on the rating and pieces and things like that. It has also has game of the last weeks, which basically shows you all the game which has been played in the last week, and it also provides you the novelty which has been played in those particular games. So if you want to, let's say, check the latest novelty which was placed in the Kalkan line, you can find it over here. You can find novelty on so many lines because it only involves the games which has been played in the last week. That's it. And then you have a download section where you can download the games of your chess.com. I mean the games that which you have played on the chess.com. Very soon I will be also including the chess.org as well. Then you can explore our a versatile database. You can learn the openings. I have a collection of almost 3,000 openings. Then we have multiple game collection like attacking games, the games which involves very rigorous end games. We have a collection of all the games which has been played in the World Championship. Best game by opening. So if you want to learn a particular opening line using few sets of game, then you can use that. Then you also have this player section. So basically it involves a collection of game which has been played by a particular player specifically in particular line. So let's say Anand crushing Sicilian. So this particular collection of games will consist of Anand playing with white, where his opponent has played Sicilian line and Anand is winning that against that particular Sicilian line. Then it comes with lots of logs, and that's it. We have so many tools, linked over here as well. You can play with the bots. So we have multiple bots. These are the beginner bots. You can play with them. They have a little lower level of just understanding. You can test your skill over here if you are a very beginner player. If you are a sophisticated and seasoned player, then you can go for these little sophisticated bots. These bots are based on the you know Hindu epic Mahabharata. Then, but whichever game you play, you can also save them, and those will be listed over here along with the result and things like that. The best part is that these games are never saved on the server. It will always stay in your browser, so it will come handy. Then we have a game explorer, just like I told you. Then, like, this is a curve online, and you can see that CTXT D5 has been played 14,335 times, and 36% of time white wins, 34% of time it was drawn, and 29% of the time black wins. So you can explore a particular line over here. Then we have the search game facility, where you can simply type the player name and you can search for the uh, games of that particular player. You can type in your black player and a white player as well. You can also search the game with the particular position as well. You can also find games on a particular line, like let's say main center. Can build that, for example, you search with this, you find a lots of game over here. You can check those games. That way, you got the game details and a particular gene as well. So these are the games. Then we have region player, but you can simply type in the PG and then that game will be played for you. We have pen visualizer, but you simply put a particular pen and that will be displayed over here. Then you have a chess engine. So if I start playing like this will show the engine line. Let's play the standard game. Over here you can see the advantage, the evil little evil bar, eval bar. Um, Over here you will also be able to see the moves like over here. Then you also have a section to show the best move. So once it reaches a particular depth, like over here right now I've selected 25 depth. So once the analysis reaches 25 depth, it will show you the best move as well. It also shows the positional analysis of the stockfish. So like for materialistically, white and black both are very even. Imbalances is almost even. Threats. White has a particular threat since it is positive, so it has threat. Obviously, you can see that white is threatening to capture the queen. Then we have opening section. You can find a particular opening, for example, Taro, Khan. So this particular section will tell you about all the lines which can be played in Cartoon. Just like there is a little glitch here. Maybe there might be some glitch over here. I will come back to this later. Yes. Just like there is some glitch. I will come back to this. Then we have a section for solving puzzles. So it's, suppose you want to improve your understanding of rook pawn endgame. So you select rook pawn endgame and you say a rating level of 2000, and then you can search. Now it will give you only the puzzle which has rook and pawn. Then we have this weekly section where you can find the novelty in a particular line. It's just like a move explorer. You can explore until you reach a particular novelty. It also shows the complete set of game which has been played in this particular position. Then we have the collection of games. These are romantic games which will involve a lot of attacking tactics. Then we have specific games played in a particular line. So if you are a fan of, let's say, Evans Gambit, you can check this particular section. It involves almost 67 games where white is winning, playing the Evans Gambit. These are the player special. That one you can find a collection of game which has been played by a particular player in a particular line. So you can learn a player's style as well. Then we have this section like for my chess.com username is muscle player. I can search for the game that I had played in the month of February and things like that. So it has been loaded in the descending order. So if I want to download all the games which I played in the month of August, I can simply click over here and that will be downloaded. Just hold on a second. Yeah, here it comes. So you can also look for the tournaments. So currently I have not uploaded any particular tournament which is currently going on, although World Cup is going on. So we I have included the World Cup games, just not I have not included the dates. So that's why it is not here. You can simply click on the games and you'll find the game over there. So that's it. You can explore it. And most importantly, I have given a section of feedback. So you can just type in your feedback and any suggestion that you have. Since I have enormous number of time, I will definitely take it very seriously and try to implement all the features in case you need that. Um, just let me know. And yeah, that's it. That's love. Goodbye.